In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on Accounts. Following that, select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now to add any password, select Passwords at the bottom left corner and hit Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added any password before. In order to make them visible, you need at least one. So now to fix it, you can hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. And then go into any app and log in. After that, wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Continue to save your password. Over here. Then you can go back to the same settings. When you see this kind of pop-up again, just hit Save. And as you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks to that, you'll be able to access Add Password option at the top. And finally, input all of those informations. Over here, type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!